Tuwing tayo nagpapatingin sa doktor, ito ang isa sa mga kadalasang ginagawa sa atin, ang pagkuha sa ating blood pressure. Ang blood pressure ng ating katawan ay isa sa mga batayan para malaman ng ating doktor kung husto ba o may pagkukulang sa ating kalusugan. Isa na sa mga senyales na may dapat suriin sa ating kalusugan ay ang pagkakaroon ng high blood pressure na maraming pwedeng may dulot na masama sa ating katawan.
Yung blood pressure is important because the blood pressure makes sure that the oxygen and the blood supply is able to reach all parts of the body. Dalawang numero ang sinasad ng blood pressure. First is the systolic and the second number that is mentioned is the diastolic. The systolic corresponds to the pressure exerted by the blood at the exact moment that the heart is in the act of contracting. And for the diastolic blood pressure, it's the number that corresponds to the lowest pressure that is felt inside the artery at the exact time that the blood is in the act of relaxation for a few milliseconds. For hypertension, it's important that we monitor the rise and fall of the blood pressure across several days. Overweight, because when you have excessive weight than body stature is mahirap yun because it takes a lot more effort for the heart to pump blood into the tissues. Also, increased salt intake. Also, aging. Not just for aging but also for the gender. Males are slightly at higher risk for hypertension compared to their female counterparts. Most likely, when the person feels anything, that is already a complication of hypertension. So, wala talaga nararamdaman. That is the reason why, with hypertension, it's important to have regular screening and regular monitoring of the blood pressure. When you have hypertension and you do not control it, you are at risk for heart disease. For the brain, you are at risk for stroke. And for the kidneys, ito ay very sensitive din, yung filtering mechanism. And it is also affected by the increase in blood pressure.
Ang pagkakaroon ng high blood ay isang sakit na mahirap nang gamutin. Ngunit may mga paraan pa rin para ito'y labanan.
First, if you are already identified hypertensive, take the medicine exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Secondly, increase the intake of fruits and vegetables. Other considerations also would be to lessen the salt intake. No, exercise, moderate intensity level of exercise, at least 3 to 5 times a week.
You can help manage and even prevent high blood pressure with Circulan. Ito'y may garlic, ginkgo biloba, hawthornberry, and lemon balm, mga natural ingredients na maaari nating ipangtapat laban sa high blood.
For the natural supplements that can help blood pressure, they can probably take supplements with garlic oil because it has been shown to help manage the blood pressure. There are also other natural remedies like ginkgo biloba and hawthornberry. These to protect the blood vessels from damage. And of course, if you think that anxiety has something to do with your elevation of blood pressure, lemon balm would help you because lemon balm is a stress reducer. It's an anxiety reliever. It helps you sleep better at night. It calms you down. It relaxes you and therefore you feel a lot better.
This portion was brought to you by Circulan.